Here's an easy way to set the time on your oven or to change the time. First thing is press the clock button and then enter the time digitally. Just put in the numbers. This is for 2:40, and then press start or clock and that'll log it in.
Hey guys, can you take just a second to click on the subscription link below? It really helps our channel, and also the bell notification, so every time we make a new video we can send it right to you. We make a new video about once every week. Really appreciate that, and if you give us a thumbs up, it'd be great. Thank you.
So here it is again. You press clock, enter in the time that you want, and then press clock or start and that'll log it in. It's that easy. This takes about a minute to do it.
Thanks so much for watching our video. Please leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. We really appreciate that. We have a really nice video coming up for you right here that I think you'll enjoy. Very similar, dealing with appliance repair. So thanks again for watching our video.